We at Unusual Finds Dollar Store have very good prices on scrapbooking and card making supplies. This is $2 and it's just adorable. Llamas. These ones are going to be all Christmas prints, presents, cute cactuses, trees, bright colors in foils. So you can use these for your card making, your scrapbooking. They're so adorable, you can use it just giving to people for cards. You can add into your envelopes to stick and shut or decorate in. Children can use them for just playing and doing art. I would definitely save them for my Christmas card giving. Seal one of the pictures on the back of each envelope. These are $2 each. The great thing about Unusual Finds is, as it sells, they get more, and they get what you ask for. The more you buy, the more you get. It's your store, really. Here's some more Christmas emojis. Smiling faces and Santas, reindeers, granny grandpas, kissy faces, teeth faces, just too adorable. This one is foxes with snowman and all those snowflakes you can decorate with, the candy canes. Such great colors and presents, trees, reindeers. These just came in too, so all of you that are having a hard time finding it, $2, and this is what you get. Little elves, suckers, bears, a bag of presents, little boys and girls. This one's got Santas and trees, candlesticks. The presents look so nice, so adorable. Flying reindeers, lots of Santas, sleighs, trees, and more presents and stockings. This is good for your classrooms too. Let the children pick one and make their own cards. For you gnome lovers, here's some Christmas gnomes and nutcrackers. Trees again, rocking horses. Just so sweet. If you come in and you can't find them, just ask us at the front counter and we'll show you. We got some polar bears and Christmas, dolphins, penguins, owls, snowflakes, some seals, a little fox with a scarf, trees. The polar bear looks like the Coca-Cola bear. Is that a cupcake? Decorated present? Too cute. And we're not done. Here's some little cartoony people shaped in trees and presents. Elves, reindeers, snowmen. Too funny. Candy canes, little boys and girls. And these are really good for the scrapbooking and card makers. They're little glitter pieces you can stick on. It was trees, gingerbread cookies, iced cookies. They actually look delicious enough to eat, but you can't eat them. More gingerbreads. Little bears with hats and scarves. Angels and birds. Oh, just so cute. Little stockings, snowmen and trees. Oh, well, all you bakers, you could make up an index card with a recipe and decorate it and give it out, even with a baked cake or anything. This is cute. It's little pieces of Santa, his bag. What else is in there? A hat and mitts. And his list, a little couple snowflakes. Glasses. And again, decorate your list of Santa with these. It's just too cute. And here's a few pieces too of animals, owls and foxes, reindeers, doves. These are $2.49. And beside them we have some stickers, and they have alphabets, or some of them have numbers. And you can just make up some words or names and years. They're in stockings. The other ones were trees. Some bags, some presents with letters again. Well, if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. And Merry Christmas to all.